The circumstance changer can begin anywhere on the universe interface. The number rolled for the round was a 6. The opportunity for the round is a 6. The circumstance changer moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as part 1 of the round. The nearest human being to the opportunity of 6 becomes the playing piece of the taker, and the mask is placed on it to identify it. The taker responds by moving through the forest, taking trees from each square that it stops on. 1, 2, 3. The taker can't take a forest spirit, but the taker can push the forest spirit away from its tree, and then continues with move 5 and 6 to take 2 more rainforest trees off the board. The forest spirit is now separated from its trees, its rainforest trees, and so becomes deactivated and is replaced by a colourless forest spirit. When a forest spirit is deactivated, the nearest human being of the giver loses its spirit and becomes deactivated also, and is replaced by a colourless human. This human being now is no longer movable by the giver. The giver responds to the same opportunity of 6. The giver can move any of the unmasked blue human beings, but because this one has now been deactivated because it's lost its spirit, it can't be moved. But the giver can still move either of these two. The giver also has the capacity to move forest spirits, but we'll come to that later. The giver moves through the forest, displacing trees behind it as it goes. The giver does not take trees off the board. When the giver gets 2 human beings together, eye to eye, the giver gains the power to give. Now the giver has used 4 moves, 1, 2, 3, 4, has 2 moves left. So what can it give? Well, the giver can give trees back to the forest. So if I put 1 rainforest tree back here, that immediately brings the forest spirit back to life, which immediately brings the spirit back to the human being, and that all happens in the same move. The giver can now either put 1 more forest spirit back to strengthen the rainforest, but can also continue on its primary agenda of getting people together and move 1 more square towards the other 2 humans.